Hello and welcome to this short video from InPhase. Today we're taking a look at mapping. We can see here three different kinds of mapping supported by the InPhase product. On the left we have the use of point data over a geographic map. In the middle we have the Choropleth presentation, and then on the right hand side we're not using a standard geographic map background, we're using a custom image, in this case looking at the rooms within the Natural History Museum. Okay, let's maximize our first map, and we can see here that we have our point data. InPhase is automatically clustering them, so we can see here clusters of points, but as we zoom in then those clusters will begin to resolve into individual locations. It's also possible to choose to identify data from your table. So if you have a specific incident and you want to locate it, simply click on the locate button, and there we can see it's been centered within the map. And again, you can click on any data point within the map and you can then see in this case, the incident number and the risk taken from the data table. So a really nice way of displaying your data geographically there, with InPhase automatically handling the clustering of the data points. Okay, let's have a look at the Choropleth example as well now. We can see here, let's maximize this widget, that we have the Choropleth representing the shapes of individual wards over this map, and here we've got the number of antisocial behavior incidents broken down by wards in this particular area. You can see that that is presented over time. So in the top left hand corner I have a little video player, and I can choose to move through that data one period at a time manually here, or I can press the play button and InPhase will automatically animate the number of incidents over time. You could also be displaying performance within the table, and then the performance colors would also be overlaid into the Choropleth map. Okay, and then as I mentioned, we've also got a completely custom map, this being an image of the Natural History Museum. We've then, using InPhase, we've drawn shapes for each of the individual rooms or areas. We can see these in the table, so we have things like the areas such as the African Mammal Hall or the Age of Mammals. We've given those a name which then corresponds with our data here, and then we're using that same Choropleth approach to reflect the number of visitors. So incredibly powerful, and all available for you straight out of the box with InPhase.